Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is your girl Seher. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing well. I am doing good too, and thank you so much for clicking on this particular video. In today's video, I will be sharing with you guys my top recommendations for this particular Nykaa sale. So if you are interested, please make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification button and share it with your friends and family members. Now let's start with the video. इस वीडियो में मैंने कोशिश की है कि मैं हाई एंड रिकमेंडेशंस ही ना करके अफोर्डेबल प्रोडक्ट्स भी रिकमेंड करूँ, क्योंकि अफोर्डेबल प्रोडक्ट्स पे भी बहुत अच्छी डिस्काउंट मिल जाती है एंड नॉट एवरीबडी वांट्स टू इन्वेस्ट देयर मनी इन हाई एंड मेकअप. तो मैंने कोशिश की है, बट एक आध प्रोडक्ट्स ऐसे भी हैं जिनके बिना मैं रह नहीं सकती हूँ एंड इसके मैंने ड्यूब्स अभी तक फाइंड आउट नहीं किए हैं, तो वो भी मैं एंड में इंक्लूड करूँगी. बट मोस्टली ये अफोर्डेबल या मिड रेंज कैटेगरी के प्रोडक्ट्स होंगे एंड इन नो रैंडम ऑर्डर आई एम गोइंग टू बी शेयरिंग विथ यू गाइज. एंड जो मैं अभी शेयर कर रही हूँ आर माई एब्सोल्यूट करंट फेवरेट्स. लाइक मैं इनको लास्ट 6 मंथ से आप कह सकते हो कि मैं कंटिन्यूसली यूज़ कर रही हूँ, रीस्टॉक कर रही हूँ, तो मैं सारे प्रोडक्ट्स वो ही रेकमेंड करूँगी आप लोगों के साथ. ऑल्सो मैंने फुल ग्लैम मेकअप लुक किया है. ये वीडियो जाने के बाद वो वीडियो जाएगी, तो आप इसका वेट करना. ये फुल फेस ऑफ मेकअप कैसे किया है उसका वीडियो इसके बाद आएगा. ऑलराइट, नाउ फाइनली लेट्स स्टार्ट. द फर्स्ट प्रोडक्ट जो मुझे हाथ लगा है वो है ये. दिस इज़ एट्यूड का डियर डार्लिंग वाटर टिंट एंड दिस इज़ माई एब्सोल्यूट फेवरेट. थ्रू आउट द समर मैंने ये यूज़ किया है. दिस इज़ अ वाटर टिंट बेसिकली एंड इसकी कंसिस्टेंसी कुछ इस तरह से है. इट्स लाइक वाटर एज यू कैन सी एंड दिस इज़ वेरी गुड फॉर ह्यूमिड एनवायरनमेंट. इसको आप विथ और विदाउट मेकअप भी यूज़ कर सकते हो. इफ़ यू डोंट नो, Etude House is a Korean brand and this particular product is said to be the dupe for Benetint, and Benetint is a product that I wanted to try out from a very long time, but I was not sure if I wanted to kind of use these kind of products. So I thought let's start with the dupe. ये बहुत जल्दी set हो जाता है and if you don't blend it well ये patchy भी हो सकता है, but this looks so beautiful on the face with or without makeup and it's an absolute must in my vanity right now. and इन सारे products के prices मैं screen पे डाल दूँगी, तो आप लोग जाके check out कर लेना with the links that I give you in the description box. Blushes की बात कर ही रहे हैं तो फिर the next blush that I really like is this particular one. This is from Pack Cosmetics and this is their Turkish Delight. This is a collaboration with Sara Sarosh and I initially didn't like the color. I thought it was too dark on my face, but I did make it work and I really like it. This is a blush that I use whenever I have to go out and I know I need my makeup to last. It's a very pigmented blush and lasts super long, and this is how it looks like. Slightly could be on the pricier side. This is how the shade looks like. On the back of my hand it looks like a very pretty shade, but जब मैं face पे apply करती हूँ तो it looks tad bit darker, but then I use less quantity so it works out. And this is a blush that I absolutely love and I always go in for whenever I need my makeup to stay put for good 6 to 7 hours. This stays put for that long. By the way, the other blush that I showed you guys, that stays for about 4 hours and it's a very good shade. So even if you become sweaty and or you just get drenched in the monsoon rains, that particular blush, the Etude House one, will stay put on your face for sure. If you don't want a super pigmented blush, you just want something dewy. Both of these blushes, this blush gives you a satin dewy finish and that one gives you a proper matte finish. But if you want like a proper dewy blush, then this is the one that you need to go for. This is from the brand Earth Rhythm. Very unique shade that I have. I like it for those winter days because it gives that very beautiful dewy juicy looks. My cheeks look so juicy with this tinted, but it gives a very beautiful finish as well. So if you are a dry skin girly, then you would absolutely love it, and if you have oily skin, then you need to set it with a compact powder or a powder blush. But it is a very beautiful shade. There are different shades in these blushes, so if you don't like pink, then you can go in for the cherry red color. I've heard good reviews about that as well. So you can definitely try out. Now you have heard a lot of people recommending these blushes. These are super affordable. They just come in for 100 rupees each, and a lot of people have recommended this, but I would want to keep them aside and recommend another blush from the same brand, which is this particular one. This is their creamy lip and cheek tint from Inside Cosmetics. Inside of lately is releasing blushes left, right and center, and this has to be a very beautiful one. Now I've heard a lot of mixed reviews about this, but I absolutely love it. Can you see? This is sheer. So on the days where I am not applying makeup, I just applied this particular shade and I am good to go. This is a very neutral shade, although it might look a little bit pinky peachy mixed, but when you apply it on the face, it gives a very beautiful natural flush. So if you are like a college going student, and if you are like going to office and you need some blush but you don't want it to be like very present, then this is the one that you can definitely go for. I don't know about other shades, but this particular shade is my absolute favorite, which is 3 Chelsea Bloom. And this particular shade I have forgotten, but it's the pink variant that I think you will see it on the website. And this one is Turkish Delight, in case I forgot to tell you guys. So I know a lot of blushes to recommend, but that's like the most favorite step of mine, so I am recommending quite a lot to you guys. Now let's move on to something else. So I am off lately. I have to go out and I need to be presentable, but I don't want to apply like a full coverage foundation, so I'm going in with tints. And I have kept my full coverage foundations aside. I don't know, I'm going through a phase where I'm liking these tinted foundations. They are just very easy to blend. It gives me enough, like, you know, coverage and evenness on my skin, and I really like that. So the first recommendation that I want to give for you guys is this Kiro Ka Daily Dewy Serum Foundation. This has got hyaluronic acid and vitamin C in it. I don't remember the shade name of it, but I will add it on the screen and add it in the description box as well. It's a very beautiful formula. It's a very lightweight, very light coverage foundation. It's just enough for me for those days where I just want a even skin tone. I do love that. And the second one is a much affordable option than that one, and that is the Blue Heavens Fresh and Flawless Hydrating Skin Tint. This is my second bottle. I literally finished one whole bottle of this and I'm on my second one, and I really love this. There's not a lot of shades to choose from this particular one, but if you find your shade, this is a bomb.com product, and I think you should have it in your vanity. And if you are like a college going student, or if you are a office going person, you will definitely love that one as well. I think my base makeup is covered, but if you still need a full coverage foundation, or a foundation which will give you an airbrushed kind of a look, I use this one. This is from Swiss Beauty. This is their airbrush finish full coverage foundation. This is really good. I wouldn't say that it is full coverage. It is more high medium coverage foundation, but it gives such a flawless look. Whenever you want to dress up, you can definitely go in with this. I normally am not a person who recommends affordable foundations, because I've always believed that you need high-end foundation to do the job, because most of the affordable foundations never work as good as the high-end ones. But this one is an exception, and it's truly a gem of a product that Swiss Beauty has made. So you need to pick this one up. It's really good. And the shade that I have picked up is 04 Golden Beige. This is really good. It's a tad bit darker for me, but in the summer days this was like a perfect match for my tanned face as well. So I do recommend this particular one, and it's super affordable, so you can definitely have it in your vanity, and you can use it for the upcoming festival looks or your wedding looks. That is that good. Now I am trying to quickly move around to an eyebrow product. So as I was telling you, I've been very busy of lately, and I don't have the time to sit and do my eyebrows like with a proper pencil. So I am using this particular one. This is Blue Heaven Sculpt and Set Brow Gel. This is how it looks like. Very beautiful packaging, super affordable product. What I really like about this is that it has got this spoolie in it, so you just have to comb in, and it just sets in place, stays put for a really long time, and gives you a very nice eyebrow done in just minutes. So I really love this one for these, like, you know, on the go kind of people, this will be a very very handy product. I really like it. If I need to swatch it, it's like this. It doesn't show up much over here, but you can see the color just a tiny bit. So it's very good. It's not too runny, it's not too waxy. It's very very good for if you are in hurry. In continuum with the on the go kind of a sort of makeup, I have two products for eyes. I'm not having the time to kind of do proper eye looks, but I need something to just give a tiny bit of color on my eyes and yet look presentable. Then this is a new product in my vanity, and this is from Swiss Beauty. This is the Chrome and Matte Twin eyeshadow. I need to make a full video on this, but trust me, this is an amazing product. Other product again from Swiss Beauty is their holographic eyeliner. Such a bomb.com such a bomb.com job on these ones. Like, they are so damn what am I saying? They're so darn good. They are duochrome eyeshadows. They're super reflective eyeliners. You can use them as eyeliners. You can use it on your entire lid. They are going to elevate your eye look. Very beautiful. I have 3 of these. I could just find one. I don't know. My entire vanity is in a mess right now. So in the category of lip liners, I have 2 recommendations for you guys. One is Mars Edge of Desire lip liner. My most favorite, I have the entire set of it, but among that entire set is this particular shade, which is 02 Deep Dawn, and it's a very beautiful shade. It goes in with all of my light colored lipsticks. It gives a very beautiful ombre look if I need to. This is the shade. It's not cool toned, it's not warm toned, it's somewhere in between, but more leaning on the cool tone. So it gives you a proper contoured lips, so you can get Botox lips without even getting Botox done. It's a very beautiful shade, and then you can apply lighter lip glosses on it and it looks bomb.com. The other one that I really like is this one from Inside. It's still in the packaging, but I have used it once or twice and I've really loved it. It's not new, but I just started using it because I knew I'm not going to make a video about it anytime soon. So this is in the shade 09 Brownie Points. I had 2 shades in it, but this one has to be my most favorite. This is the one, and you can apply this on all over your lips and it'll still look really really good. It's a very beautiful lip liner that you need to have in your vanity. And I have some lipsticks that I wanted to share with you guys. One is this shade from Love Child by Masaba. This is the shade 05 Meetha, and this is a mauve toned pink mauve toned lipstick. Looks very beautiful on my lips. It flatters my skin tone really well. It's got purpley hints to it, but doesn't look very bad on the lips. It looks very nice, and I really really love this one. The next one that I really like is this one from Lakme Absolute. I have 3 of their shades, but I am going to recommend one that is my most favorite, which is the 303 Nude Natural, and it's a very beautiful nude shade that I absolutely love. Again, I have a thing for mauvey pinks. I feel they flatter my skin tone a lot, so I definitely love this one. Now let's talk about lip glosses, and in the lip gloss category, I like this chocolate brown shade from Blur. The lip gloss that I really like from Blur is this chocolate brown shade. This is My Lips But Better kind of a shade. Can you see how beautiful that shade is? It's not the most glossiest, juiciest lip shade, but it's a very beautiful shade. Stays up to 2 hours, I suppose, but it's a very beautiful formula. Again, with this deep dawn shade, and this one in the center looks Chumeshwari. I absolutely love it. One lip gloss that I became a fan of, and I truly understand why there is a hype about this, is this Faces Canada's lip gloss. I don't remember the shade name, but I will add it in the screen. This is that shade. It's a very beautiful pinky shade. I absolutely love it.
Pinky shade. If you like pinky shades, please follow our Pinky Sarzaba.
So this is how the shade looks like. It has got fine glitter particles in it, but they don't show up much on the lips. But the juiciness of this lip gloss is on another level, so you definitely need to have it. One lip gloss that I absolutely love, but I don't know where I have misplaced it, and that's why this video took the longest time to film, because I was not able to get that lip gloss. It's from Mars, their newly launched lip glosses. It's the most juiciest lip gloss, again very affordable, a lot of quantity, but one fault about it is that it doesn't have a stopper, so in case you open it and tilt it, you will have a lot of spillage. I have faced the consequences, so I can tell you that. So that one is also super pretty. If I get it, I will add a clip over here, or I've made a full video of it, by the way, so you can check that out. I will add it in the I button. And with that, I think I'm almost done with all the affordable products that I could think of that I'm really loving in my vanity. In the powder category, I have two recommendations for you all. One is a very affordable one, and one is in the mid-range category. The affordable one has to be the Pond's Natural Glow Face Powder. Generally, I'm not a Pond's makeup products fan or Pond's anything fan, but this one has to be a really good one. I have used it a lot, and you get a ton quantity in it, and it's a very good one to have it. They have a pink variant as well. The only drawback of this is there is a fragrance which I'm not a big fan of, but it's still a good product. And then the other product that I am in love, and this sets my makeup like nobody else's business. This one has to be K Beauty's banana setting powder, and I have used na sara maine use kar liya, and that's a lot, saying that there is a lot of quantity in this, and it's almost impossible to finish setting powder, but I have used quite a lot of product from this one, and this is priced at 849 rupees. And abhi jo sale hai usme K Beauty ke products are on a lot of discount, so I do like it. There is a cushion sieve in it, and the powder is super mild. It is said to be a dupe of Laura Mercier, so if you were looking to pick up Laura Mercier, might as well try this. I don't know how the Laura Mercier powder works, but this one is hands-on, a really good one. Now I am done with all the drugstore, and I want to recommend high-end products. I'm keeping it very less. I'm only keeping those products which I feel like I cannot live without, and I cannot find dupes for, and I don't want to replace them. So there are a couple of those, and first one I will share with you guys is Benefit's Precisely My Brow Pencil. This is, I think, 2,500 rupees if I'm not wrong, but it's such a beautiful product. You get a spoolie on one side, and you get the product on other side, and I've used a lot of it, and you can see how precise this product is. So you can draw very thin strokes, and you will get very beautiful brows with this. And the second one that I want to recommend for you guys is Too Faced Ka Sellout lipstick, and I really like this one. It's a very beautiful shade. It's a very popular shade, again falls into that pink kind of a lipstick, and it's very long lasting, looks so beautiful on the lips, and it is 10 on 10, a recommend for me. Other thing, Elf is always on buy one get one free during the sale period, and I will highly recommend you guys to try their primers. I have all the 3 primers, and I love all the 3 of them. They are my most used. They might be pricey, but when you get a buy one get one free discount, you don't feel the pinch, and they last a long times. Like, the quantity is really good, so I do recommend them. The Halo Glow Liquid Filter, I have their putty primer, I have their Elf Power Grip Primer. I have the putty in down, so I will not search for it right now, but all the 3 are so good. You need to try their primers, and if you're getting at buy one get one free, please go ahead and grab them. You will not be disappointed. So yeah, these are all the products that I wanted to recommend. So with this, I will end the video, and I hope you like this one. I will see you guys in the next one. Till then, you guys take care, and leave a comment as to what you're buying from this particular sale, and I will see you in the next one now, and take care. Mwah.